Hello guys, today I'm super excited for showing you this new product that I received, that they are some women cotton socks. And well, like you can see here inside, they look like a lot of colors. They came here for different type of socks and cottons and colors. And well, these ones, it says that it's super comfortable to touch feet, perfect fit, good at details, and loyal to quality. Okay, so I'm going to be opening with you. I'm going to be showing the colors it has and the texture, because really I think that having a good socks in winter or in summer or every season you want, I think it's the best thing, because that it helps a lot also to the shoe. Okay, and maybe if you need to walk a lot all the day, or if you're standing up all the day, I think the socks it do like an important work in your day-to-day. Okay, so first we have this, look, this beautiful color. It's a purple color. Wow, it feels super soft. Then we have this blue color that I like a lot, like the shine it has a color. Then we have this pink color that it's my favorite color. And then we have just like this light blue. Okay, so I like a lot the four colors it has. Okay, the purple, it's here. And well, this is how it looks, all the colors. And I'm going to be trying it one on, and I'm going to show you, but really just like touching them, they are super comfortable. And well, I hope you like it. Okay guys, I'm going to be putting on my just this sock. Okay, I'm going to put the pink sock. And well, like you can see, it has like a lot of stretch. Okay, so I think it fits super perfect. And well, first about, I like a lot all the colors. And well, this pink sock, I like it a lot. And like you can see, it has here like an elastic, and well, that thing, it helps to that the sock stays there where it needs to be. And also it's super stretchable. And well, what do you think about this beautiful sock? I like it a lot. And really touching it, it feels super incredible. So I think it will help a lot for the winter or the or summer or every season you want to put them. But I think I liked a lot of them about the colors.